Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the third and last part of this cleaning up this logo. And if in the previous video I locked this flag, and the reason I locked it so I could still move my stars around minutely. So we click on our item. We don't even have to click on anything. Go to Arrange and unlock all objects. Now I've still got my nudge distance. Well, I'm going to change it back to 3 inches. And I'm going to move our locked logo up and out of the way. Now I'm going to grab these and I'm going to left click no fill, and I'm going to make sure they're all selected, and I'm going to go to range and I'm going to group. Now before I move them down there, I want to do a yellow box trick on our logo, and you'll see why in just a second. I'm going to fill it in with yellow, put it in the back of the page, and there's some white stars that need to be gotten rid of. Now, as you can see, we're moving our, or we clicked on it. Now I could put it to the back of order, but just soon move it up top. Now I think I'll be able to grab my individual stars and just delete them. Now you do not want to try to do this, because if you do that, you move the yellow box. So try to just select your stars. And while we're here, we might as well go ahead and remove these white letters from the logo, because they will engrave just a hair. Now we are ready to move this down our 3 inches. And you'll see in just a second. See, I have not cleaned up these other two lines. We're going to take our Smart Fill tool and we're going to fill this in. There it is. We might be missing one star. How is that happening? Nope, it's there. You know what I did? I clicked it probably twice. There's our finished logo with the exception of these two more stripes. And to be honest with you, this one's going to be a little better. I'm going to clean it up a little bit more, and I'll probably send it to him as a better logo for him. Anyway, I truly hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.